For as long as humans have existed, we've looked up at the sky and seen a companion, a glowing orb that has guided our myths, our calendars, our oceans, and our destiny. But what if I told you that the moon didn't just light our nights, that it shaped Earth and even shaped life itself? Today, we're going to explore the extraordinary story of how the moon transformed a young, chaotic planet into the only world we know with life. This is not just astronomy. It's not just geology. It's the story of us. Life isn't just yours. It's everywhere. It's everything. And we're here to explore it all. Be curious and stay curious. Imagine the solar system for 0.5 billion years ago. Not the peaceful, orderly place we see today, but a cosmic demolition zone, worlds smashing together, molten rock flying through space. And then, the impact that changed everything. A Mars-sized world, called Theia, slammed into the young Earth with unimaginable force. Oceans vaporized, mountains melted, the sky glowed red for centuries. And from that apocalyptic collision, a ring of molten debris formed around Earth. Over time, gravity sculpted that debris into a sphere, our moon. Scientists now believe the moon is literally made of Earth, our crust, our mantle, our ancient minerals. It is not just a satellite. It is a piece of us. And the moment it formed, everything about Earth changed. One of the most important things the moon ever did was calm us down. Without it, Earth would wobble like a spinning top on a table. Our tilt might swing from 0 degrees, no seasons at all, to 60 degrees, wild, catastrophic seasons. Imagine the poles baking in sunlight. Imagine the tropics buried under ice. But the moon's gravity anchors Earth's tilt, keeping our seasons predictable. It was this climate stability, lasting millions of years at a time, that allowed complex ecosystems to rise. Forests, oceans, ice ages, mammals, us. Without the moon, life might still exist, but only as microbes clinging to survival. When the moon formed, days on Earth were only 5 or 6 hours long. The planet spun so fast the winds could tear across the globe at extreme speeds. But the moon's tidal pull acted like a cosmic brake, gradually slowing Earth's rotation, until our planet settled into the familiar 24-hour rhythm we live by today. This changed everything. A longer, more stable day allowed predictable sunrises, stable temperature cycles, the evolution of circadian rhythms, internal clocks used by every creature on Earth. In a very real sense, the moon set the tempo for life. Now let's talk about something truly extraordinary: tides. Billions of years ago, the moon was much closer, so close that tides rose hundreds of feet. Massive walls of water surged in and out every few hours, and those tides may have created the perfect cradle for life. Many scientists believe life began in tidal pools, shallow basins where water repeatedly evaporated and refilled, where chemical ingredients concentrated, where the perfect mix of energy, minerals, and organic molecules gathered. No moon, no strong tides, maybe no life. And even after life began, tides mixed nutrients through the oceans, drove coastal evolution, created marine nurseries, allowed early animals to transition onto land. Creatures learned to survive cycles of wet and dry, light and dark, flooding and exposure. Tides were nature's training ground for evolution. The moon didn't just stir the oceans, it stirred the story of life. We often think moonlight is weak, just a pale reflection of the sun. But for millions of years before streetlights, flashlights, or fire, moonlight was the only illumination on Earth at night. And evolution paid attention. Bright nights mean predators can see better. Dark nights mean prey can hide. Entire species evolved their survival strategies based on the moon's cycle. Even today, animals depend on lunar rhythms. Coral reefs synchronize mass spawning during full moons. Certain fish migrate only on moonlit nights. Nocturnal birds use the moon for navigation. Predators plan hunts around lunar brightness. The moon created a monthly clock. That life still obeys. And yes, humans are influenced too. Studies show correlations between lunar phases and sleep, hormone cycles, and even patterns in childbirth. The moon's light shaped the behavior of nearly every organism on Earth. Here's something many people don't realize. The moon may have helped Earth maintain its magnetic field. This field protects us from deadly solar winds and cosmic radiation. Without it, Earth would look more like Mars, cold, dry, and stripped of its atmosphere. The impacts and tidal forces caused by the moon likely help stir Earth's molten core, sustaining the magnetic field. In other words, the moon helped keep our atmosphere intact, and our atmosphere keeps life alive. Plate tectonics, the force that moves continents, forms mountains, and recycles carbon, is essential for long-term climate stability and biodiversity. Some researchers propose that the moon's gravitational pull may have strengthened early plate tectonics, providing the tectonic stirring needed to keep Earth geologically active. Because a geologically dead planet is usually a biologically dead planet, the moon not only stabilizes Earth's tilt, it influences ocean circulation, atmospheric tides, wind patterns, long-term climate cycles. Stable seasons allowed biodiversity to flourish. Strong currents distributed nutrients to every corner of the oceans. Moderate climates allowed ecosystems to persist for millions of years. The moon is not just scenery, it's environmental engineering at a planetary scale. The moon's story doesn't end with biology. It shaped us, our culture, our history, our imagination. Before clocks or calendars, the moon was humanity's first timekeeper. Ancient farmers planted by it, sailors navigated by it, entire civilizations built myths, rituals, and religions around its phases. Moonlight extended the human day long before electricity. It gave us nights safe enough for hunting, and nights dark enough for storytelling. In a profound way, the moon shaped human evolution, our minds, our cultures, our sense of time. So here's the big question. Would life exist without the moon? Microbial life, maybe. But complex life, plants, animals, humans, probably not. Without the moon, Earth's tilt would swing wildly. Climate would be chaotic. The magnetic field might fail. Oceans might stagnate. Tides would be tiny. Evolution would struggle to gain complexity. Planets like Earth, stable, fertile, life-rich, might be incredibly rare in the universe. And large moons like ours, even rarer. We may owe our existence to a cosmic accident, one that almost never happens. The moon is drifting away from us, slowly, only 3.8 centimeters each year. Over millions of years, tides will weaken. Days will grow longer. The partnership between Earth and the moon is changing. But humanity's relationship with the moon is just beginning. We're returning. We're building bases. We may mine lunar ice, launch from lunar gravity, and use the moon as a gateway to Mars and beyond. The moon shaped our past, and now it may shape our future among the stars. The moon is far more than a light in the night sky. It is the architect of tides, the stabilizer of climate, the anchor of Earth's tilt, a guardian of our atmosphere, a guide to evolution, and a silent partner in the story of life. We don't just live with the moon. We live because of it. If you look at the moon tonight, remember, you're not just looking at a rock in space. You're looking at the reason you're here. If you enjoyed this deep dive into how the moon shaped life on Earth, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more science documentaries, drop a comment. Tell us, what surprised you the most about the moon's influence? Thanks for watching. Be curious, stay curious,